What's up, guys? Hey, so today's video is going to be 5 tips on how to have a nicer lawn in 2019. Here we go. First and most important tip for a nicer lawn is mowing. You want to mow it frequently enough that you take no more than 1/3 of the blade off. This will encourage healthy root development and leave enough grass for proper photosynthesis to occur. I suggest mowing your St. Augustine at 3 to 5 inches tall during the warmer months. This will help keep the roots shaded and prevent the ground from rapidly drying out. It'll also promote darker colored grass due to the longer blade being able to perform more photosynthesis. Would you look at that? Look at that bag of Milorganite. That's right, guys. The second tip for lawn domination in 2019 is fertilizing. I recommend using both organic and synthetic fertilizers. This is mainly due to the availability of the product and the ease of use. Synthetic fertilizers are literally in every big box store. However, you have to water them in most cases after applying them. And organic fertilizers can be a little bit harder to find, but they usually are non-burning type fertilizers. So both have great benefits to your lawn, whether it be slow release or quick release of nitrogen, or even iron supplementation, etc. Some also have weed killing components like this Scott's Bonus S. During my lawn schedule for 2019, I plan on using an alternating application of Milorganite and Scott's products. So I'm going to be using both organic and synthetic for the best outcome in my lawn. And that's right, guys. The third tip for 2019 is watering. St. Augustine grass on average needs 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. So if you're not getting any rain at your location, then you need to adjust your watering to match what is landing on the lawn. Now, you do not want to water every day. That will make your lawn less drought tolerant and more dependent on your watering assistance. I recommend watering once a week very deeply, making sure that that water gets down into the root system. You also want to try to use different types of watering devices, whether it's an in-ground sprinkler or a hose-attached sprinkler, or other variations. You can pick and choose the right device to apply the right amount of water for each section of your lawn. You've got to use a lawn journal. They are the tool that helps you keep track of when and what you did in the lawn. They also are a quick reference to your square footage whenever it's time to apply your fertilizer. Lawn journals are definitely the biggest top secret tool to having a nicer lawn in 2019. The fifth and final tip is to be consistent. Stay on top of your schedule. Make sure you're not approaching the lawn randomly. What I mean by that is that you should do everything with a purpose, because change takes time. I applied weed and feed because I needed to wake the lawn from winter, and I had some weeds that needed to meet their maker. I then followed the progress of the weed and feed and determined that, hey, maybe I need to apply a different variety of weed control, or maybe improvements have occurred, such as that over at my in-laws' house. I followed the limitations on the products, and I do follow up fertilizations according to manufacturers. But consistency is key. Lawns take time to fully develop into the luscious oasis that we dream of. Sometimes it could take seasons to fully learn what your lawn needs and is going to do. So don't give up the first time you do something and don't see those results. Just keep at it and attack your lawn with a purpose. And that's all of the 5 tips for a nicer lawn in 2019. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Twitter at DonsLawns1. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.